Unveiling the Mystery, Hide in the Shadows. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unlock the secrets behind its phrases and idioms. Today, we're exploring a phrase that often pops up in stories, movies, and sometimes in everyday conversation: hide in the shadows. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your own conversations. So, let's shed some light on this shadowy phrase. To hide in the shadows is a phrase that combines both literal and figurative language. Literally, it refers to someone or something being concealed in a dark area where light does not reach, making them difficult to see. This could be someone actually hiding in a dark corner for various reasons. Figuratively, this phrase takes on a broader and more interesting meaning. It symbolizes staying unnoticed or keeping oneself from being the center of attention. It can also imply operating in secrecy or without drawing attention to oneself. This usage is common in discussions about espionage, mystery, or even personal behavior in social situations. Now that we know what it means, let's look at how to use hide in the shadows in different contexts. 1. In storytelling or literature, the detective could feel that the culprit was still out there, hiding in the shadows, waiting for the next opportunity to strike. 2. In everyday conversation, I prefer to hide in the shadows during big gatherings. I'm not much for being in the spotlight. 3. In a professional context, many talented individuals hide in the shadows, not seeking recognition for their work but contributing significantly behind the scenes. Using the phrase, hide in the shadows, adds a layer of depth and intrigue to your communication. It evokes imagery that can make your storytelling more vivid and your expressions more nuanced. Understanding such phrases allows English language learners to appreciate the richness of the language and to express themselves more precisely and creatively. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and use of hide in the shadows. We hope this video has illuminated this expression for you and that you're now more confident in using it in your own English conversations and writings. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the pictures and stories those words can create. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to play with language and explore its depths. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep shining light on those shadowy phrases.